Michigan's health department has stopped recommending masks in indoor settings, including schools. Governor Whitmer calls it a good news and a reflection of the state's progress in the pandemic. 13 on your side, Charlie Tinker has details on how this decision could affect schools.
One of the most visible focuses of the national dialogue over masking, those K-12 schools will no longer have that recommendation to mask up on the books now that the state health department has retired that public health advisory. MDHHS said the updated guidance reflects where we are at this point in the pandemic, which in the view of their experts is now post-surge and squarely in the recovery phase. So what happens to the dozens of mask mandates enforced on the local level by individual school districts? Here's what MDHHS had to say about that. Quote, school districts and organizations should consider local conditions and work with their local health department to determine mask policies for school districts, public meetings, and large events, unquote. The move effectively passes the buck to those individual districts, determining whether their students will be required to mask up, especially given what the state bills is a picture that's improved dramatically in recent weeks. I touched base with Grand Rapids, which still has its mandate in place, and said this, quote, we are reviewing the latest guidance from the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services regarding masking. We will be assessing our local conditions in consultation with the Kent County Health Department to determine our district mask policy moving forward. That kind of dialogue, conceivably what we will see getting underway statewide with every district. It's important to note masking still recommended in certain high-risk settings. That includes nursing homes, healthcare operations, and jails. MDHHS maintains masks still an important tool for curbing the spread of COVID-19. They will be keeping an eye out for signs of a resurgence or any new variants out there, which of course means the recommendation could come back into the picture at some point. It just depends upon what the data is telling them.
And in response to the new guidelines, the Holland Public School District is moving to a mask optional setting in its schools. Grand Haven school administrators tell 13 on your side they will reevaluate the district's policy on the 28th.